Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because I hear, madam, Malaysia is a safe country, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Angelica Tucker. I am 38 years old. Um, I live in Philippines. I have two sons, 9 years old and 6 years old. And I have work experience before in Kuwait within 2 years and 5 months, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed in your working experience, okay? Are you single mother or single with live-in partner?
Single mom.
When is your birthday?
October 21, 1996, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
5'1", ma'am, and my weight is 50 kilos, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children knowing that you are a single mother?
My mother, ma'am, and my father.
How old is your mother and your father and what is their occupation?
My father, ma'am, is 54 years old, and his name is Romulo Takder, and my mother is 52 years old and housewife only, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Two, ma'am.
So your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Philippines way back 2016 to 2018. Is it housemaid?
No, ma'am. My children, ma'am.
Sorry?
My children, ma'am. I take care with my children.
Okay, so your profile, as you mentioned a while ago, is you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2022 to 2025 for 2 years and 5 months, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Kuwait?
Cooking, ironing, washing, and cleaning, ma'am.
Okay, so did you take care any children or what? Or elderly?
Before, ma'am, when my kids.
Okay, but in Kuwait, you didn't take care children.
Oh, ma'am, they are
You do,
adult. Madam.
so you do the house chores only, is it? Okay, so what happened? Why you decided not to continue working with this employer, but of course you finish your contract. So why you didn't continue working with them?
Ma'am, I I choose to Malaysia because there's no deduction salary and no sa- placement fee, ma'am.
Okay, so why is it in your employer in Kuwait, why you didn't continue? Why you discontinue working with that employer?
Too much uh
Too much what?
too much work, ma'am,
You are overworked there.
and uh, the
Okay, so no rest day. Too
Yes,
much
ma'am.
work and no rest day.
Yes, ma'am. Overworked,
Okay, so
ma'am.
being an OFW is not new for you, or working as a domestic helper is not new for you, knowing that you already got experience in Kuwait, yeah? But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is quite big, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, okay? So
Yes, ma'am.
you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience here in Malaysia that you didn't experience those things in Kuwait, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I will try my best, ma'am.
Can you take care children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What variety or what type of dishes you can prepare?
Um, it's depend on my employer, ma'am.
If you know how to cook, what variety of cuisine you can cook? Ate, you understand? If you know how to cook, you say that you know how to cook, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what dish you can prepare? Or what dish you can cook?
Food, ma'am.
Ate, wag... Okay. So, Filipino foods. Do you know how to cook do you know how to cook other dish?
Arabic food, ma'am. Like this.
So, what kind of Arabic foods?
Biryani food. Um,
Okay, so you are willing to learn some new recipes.
ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Sure, you don't have
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, so can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Okay, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then work properly. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness knowing like, for example, if you miss your children, you miss your family. Normally, how do you handle your homesickness?
I will call after work, ma'am.
You will call after work. Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time, okay? In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and you need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day. Bye.